Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you are having a great day today. Hopefully you saw the video that I put up before this video, because I mentioned that I was going to be doing a quick little morning routine, sharing with you guys what I do on the regular. But before I jump into that, what I wanted to do is share with you guys this loft before everything came together in this space. So what I normally do is share every piece of furniture that comes in. So there's never this like super extreme room makeover, but I do believe every room in the house has gone under what I would consider to be like a huge makeover. So this is the loft previously. I already had the recessed light in the ceiling, but I wasn't happy with it. And then the walls and then the carpet. So all of that changed. And now this is how the room looks, you guys. And man, it looks so amazing. I wish I had pulled the camera back a little bit more so you can actually see the ceiling and the detail. I will leave the video at the end of this so you guys can see how the guys put it all together, but it looks so good. But now that I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and turn on some music, and then I'm going to take a shower, and then I'm going to go ahead and get ready for a consultation that I have. Normally, I have anywhere from 5 to 6 consultations a week. So Monday through Friday, I work on my design things, and in between the design things, I post my stuff on Instagram. It is a lot, but I try to keep up with everything. So when you don't see me on YouTube or Instagram, 9 times out of 10, I'm handling client installs. But now that I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and jump into the kitchen. When it comes to me uploading the content on Instagram, I find it easier to actually share what I'm doing in real time most of the time, which is why Instagram is normally where you would find me. So I went to the grocery store, and instead of just putting up the groceries, it took a little bit longer, y'all. It took a little bit longer. But I went on ahead and I put my labels on, put everything up. I did 1-minute intervals. That way during the week and like next week, I'll have a little bit of content to share, and I tend to recycle the content. So I'm recording for YouTube now, and then I'll have footage to share on Instagram later. Alright, you guys, today was long. I knew I only had a couple of minutes before my consultations kind of kicked in, but I didn't think I had like as less time as I actually did. I didn't get too much done. I'm trying to find the scissors if the kids have stopped moving stuff. Yeah. These flowers are so pretty. Let me just say that I love roses, so when I get them, I am extremely appreciative. I am cutting them at an angle, so that way they can kind of come back to life again. Oxygenized, I guess that's the word. Sin. Yeah. You just trying to mess with my head. You ain't gonna mess with me, cause I'm not gonna want more. You want a charger? We can order something online. But I'm in a good mood, and I don't really feel like being bothered with Walmart.
I got my own money and car.
You better have your money, and you ain't got your own car.
Yeah, I do.
Well, then go to Walmart.
I'm trying.
Ride your bike, child. All right, you guys. Oh, look how big. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look how big they've opened blossoms. They're gorgeous. If you are interested, I was told they were purchased at Kroger's. These are bomb. I love them. They just like, I don't think I've ever seen the roses open this freaking big before. They're massive. Huh?
I said you can find them at Parker's. I mean, not Parker's, Publix.
I was about to say, I don't think I've ever gotten flowers from a gas station now.
Yeah.
I mean, I ain't special, but I ain't. Okay. These are gorgeous. Oh,
They look really good.
they look so good.
I said, I didn't want me to get other flowers.
No, I normally cut them back and re-ice them and all that. I've been trying to read online, you guys, how to keep the flowers and stuff. So I think I've been doing pretty good. I really hate that I have to get rid of my balloons. I hit 70K. So I went and got some balloons for the 70K. And let me tell you guys, I hit 70K in 30 days. Literally, January 15th, I celebrated 60. And I was like, 60K look good on me. I ended up getting to like 10,000 followers, friends on Instagram, which was crazy because I struggled to grow on Instagram so badly. YouTube, not so much, but Instagram has definitely been a struggle for me. Can you put this upstairs? Yeah, but growing on Instagram has definitely been a little bit of a struggle. So I'm not gonna pop them. I'm gonna let them naturally just kind of simmer down. Anyway, to see that I literally, that was amazing. Thank you. Thank you so very much. You know, the support is always appreciated 100%. So that was good. But anyway, I went and I got the balloons. I did a little photo shoot. I shared it on my community. I'll do an overlay if you missed it. Again, if you're trying to keep up, please check out the community because you guys tend to kind of like repeat the questions to me. Not that I don't mind answering the questions, but I do put out the information. Hey, help me put this up, put this in my office. Should I put it back in my office? Yeah. Okay, go right. Stay back. Okay, I downloaded the picture. I don't think I've ever showed you guys the plan for my living room. So this is the layout of my living room. Right now it has a 10 by 14 rug, but I have another, let me show you guys the other measuring, hold on. I actually had this done with 2 different sizes because the 10 by 18 rug was way over budget and I was like, do I have to do it? So you can kind of see here, this is the 9 by 13 rug, right? So this is gonna be my furniture layout, which currently you see my sofa, right? And then you see that's not gonna stay. And also, I'm gonna go to the next one so you guys can see that too, because you have the sofa, and then there was supposed to be 4 accent chairs. But this right here is the one near the window. I opted to go with a swivel so that way when I'm sitting by the window, I can actually turn, which is why I pulled this guy from my office just to see how I was gonna like it. The next thing is I decided to do the run of 2 coffee tables because you can see from the previous one how the one just looks crazy and out of place. And then now you see how the place is full. But I'm also gonna add 2 ottomans right here. I haven't figured out the color just yet. I know right now everything looks like super neutral. It's not gonna stay like that. And the only reason why I'm saying it's not gonna stay like that, like this is gonna be blue. Well, no, this is gonna be blue. This, I haven't found the company for this one yet. So that's still kind of up in the air. Don't know what I'm gonna do just yet. There's gonna be gold for the, I think I might do black because I'm thinking to do a black ceiling fan, whatever. But I ordered my rug, you guys, for those of you that are new, because people are still asking me about the rug, what kind of rugs go in the living room. You guys, if you're looking for these videos, I promise you, just kind of backlog yourself, because I put out anywhere from 2 to 3 videos a week. So if you're watching a video, 9 times out of 10, I probably already touched the topic. But this is the rug that's going to be going into the living room. It's already ordered, on the way. I do want to purchase another throw to go with the furniture, like once everything is done, to kind of, so I want to keep it neutral enough to where I can do it. Right now, I feel like the Hermes or my master can still go down here, but I don't want to get too crazy with the colors, you know what I'm saying? So that's that. But I'm going to go ahead and run for Home Depot. Okay. All right, so you guys, I'm back from the store. I have this, which is a filter for the fridge. I need to go online and just probably order 2 or 3 because they only had 1 available in the store. And last month when I went, they had 0. I hope this is the right one. Yeah, this is it. So this is what I use for the filter. And then I picked up a chime for the door because currently I cannot hear the doorbell upstairs. So I went ahead and I picked up a chime so that way when the doorbell rings, I can hear it upstairs because I'm so, I don't know how to say that, but I went to TJ Maxx and I purchased some pajamas. I'm gonna go over it really quickly because I'm gonna go upstairs and throw them into the wash real quick while I go get in the shower. So I have these with the matching shirts and the t-shirt from Calvin Klein. This was $16.99. These so first of all, these are like sleepwear, but what I like about it is it has the tapered leg. So you have these pants again with that tapered leg, and it came with 2 shorts. And then you guys, these were so cute. I got another set. These were a set of shorts. These are from the same company. Oh, these are Rachel Zoe. So they had these shorts, the gray shorts and the black shorts. I love it. And then I got these. And this is another Cynthia. It was $16.99. And again, this is actually an extra small. When I shop in the women's section, I have to get an extra small. I normally can shop in like the youth area because you know I'm so small and stuff. So I normally can get away with wearing a kid's 12. So these are the pants. And again, that leg, you guys, check out TJ Maxx. But anyway, today was a very productive day. I feel like professionally I got a lot done. Personally, I got a little bit done. But I'm gonna go ahead and throw this into the wash really quickly. And I still have another consultation that I gotta do before I call it a night. So you guys have a good night. I'm gonna go get this upstairs, prep for my next consultation, and then get situated. Okay.